If you guys want to learn how to make my decadent homemade fudge brownies, stay tuned. So now I'm going to sip 1 3/4 cup of flour along with a 1/2 cup of sugar. And the reason why I'm sifting because I find that it's easier to stir using a sifter. Here I'm adding 1/4 cup of cake flour. Three-quarter cup of Hershey's cocoa powder. And now I'm just going to take my handy dandy whisk and whisk all the dry ingredients together. Two sticks of salted butter, softened. And here I'm just mixing the butter with the dry ingredients. One tablespoon of vanilla. Adding 2 eggs, one at a time. One can of Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk. Okay peeps, so I had to get rid of that whisk and trade it with a wooden spoon because it was getting very difficult to continue to stir all these ingredients with it becoming thicker. Here I've added the second can of the Eagle brand condensed sweetened milk. We're going to continue to mix and fold the batter until your arm becomes like Popeye's. Now we're going to mix and fold our chocolate chunks into our batter. Now here I decided to use these because these are what I like, but you can use any type of chips. Semi-sweet, chocolate chips, butterscotch, caramel, peanut butter. I love peanut butter, by the way. So you can add whatever chunks that you want, but I chose this because they are my favorite. You can either spray your pan with some pan cooking spray or some butter or oil. Or you can line your pan with some wax paper, whichever you prefer. Now it's time to fold our batter into the pan. And oh my gosh, that looks so good. My brother's missing out. When I used to bake as a child, he would always be around to lick the spoon. Guess who's licking the spoon this time, brother? Here I'm just spreading the batter throughout the pan, and then I'm going to add some of the chocolate chunks to the top. Yay, yay, yay! She's ready for the oven. Ta-da! My homemade FLAVORITE brownies. And I baked these bad boys at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And just for added measure, I'm just gonna add a little bit of powdered sugar, just to be extra. Thank you so much for joining me, peeps. I do hope that you enjoyed my homemade recipe for brownies. And we just ask that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Take care, peeps.